Welcome to the After Action Report. My name's Eric Rosen. I'm a personal injury lawyer in South Florida. My passion is helping my injured clients get the best results possible and sharing those experiences with you to help your clients get the best results possible too. Today we're going to be talking about in-court technology and different tools, tips, strategies, and tactics that I use to help my clients get great results. Before we get into the topic, if you enjoy these videos, go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. Also hit the bell icon, it looks like this, to make sure you get notifications each time we upload a new video. There are so many different topics that we can talk about when it comes to in-court technology. Today we're going to narrow it down to 2 tips. Watch the whole video so you don't miss both, because both are extremely important. The first topic that I want to talk about is making sure that everything runs smoothly when you get to trial. And that means you need to show up early so that you know where all the connections are. You know what equipment that you're going to need to bring to put on the best presentation possible. Because what you want to avoid is for your equipment failing on the day that you're putting on your presentation. Because you don't want something like this happening when you're in the middle of doing an opening statement. So when you show up before trial, take photographs of what the courtroom looks like and know exactly where the jurors are going to be seated, where the witnesses are going to be situated, and where are the monitors and screens in relation to the witnesses and the jurors. Make sure the jurors have a clear view of the screen when you're giving your presentation so that the jurors get to see the witness interact with the document so that they get a great presentation and keep them interested in the evidence that you're presenting. Before we get to the second tip, I need a quick coffee break. I'll be right back. Remember, the whole idea of what we're talking about today is being fully prepared and knowing exactly how your in-court technology is going to work, where it's going to be placed, and how you're going to put on your presentation. We recently did a video on how to avoid disasters during jury selection, which talks about similar topics to what we're talking about today, which is showing up early and being fully prepared. The next tip that I want to talk about regarding in-court technology is an effective presentation to the jury and not overdoing your PowerPoint presentations. When you're presenting an opening or closing argument or putting on a witness, you want the jurors getting the most important facts possible and that they're really getting to see it in a powerful and impactful way. You don't want a PowerPoint slide that has a lot of words on it that's going to be distracting and difficult to read. That's not going to be very impactful. So I'll give you an example of what that looks like when you're arguing to the jury and you have a PowerPoint slide that has a lot of words on it. This case really boils down to one thing, and that's fraud. The defendants in this case suppressed their own scientific research, concluding that their product was killing its own customers. So as you can see, when I gave that demonstration, there's a lot of words on that PowerPoint slide. It's difficult to read, it's hard to understand, and it's not as powerful as it can be. Let's do another demonstration to show you how you can pare down the words and use images to make that slide so much more powerful when you're giving your argument. This case really boils down to one thing, and that's fraud. The defendants in this case suppressed their own scientific research, concluding that their product was killing its own customers. They publicly denied that the product was causing harm to anyone. Which one did you like more? Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know which presentation you liked more and what you thought was more powerful for a PowerPoint slide and presentation to a jury. If you got value from this video, go ahead and click that like button so that I know you enjoyed the content and I can create new videos around similar topics. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can keep up to date with new tips, tools, strategies, and tactics that have helped me recover over $100 million in verdicts for my clients in just 5 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you at the next After Action Report next week. Thanks a lot.